Successfully finished. So let me try with the AS2 as well. AS2. What is our instance? 06, right? This side is same, but finish. See here, open means it is connected. There is no issue. Even I can able to log in with the 06 instance. That means it is connected to additional application server to 06. See here. Same user. I'm logging with the same user. What is the user? DDS user. Same application SID. Same client. So we can connect with the any application server, but the users don't know. Which application they are going to connect. So the connection is individual, right? The custom application server we are connecting. As of now, this is the process. But Logon group works with this group server, right? The group server. How we are going to create the Logon groups? Now we are going to discuss. So where we are going to create the Logon groups? In SMLG, we are going to create the Logon groups. And what is the T code to monitor? SMMS is the T code to monitor. And as well, we are going to monitor the SM59. And we can check the response time in SMLG, or else we can check the ST03N. Now we are going to discuss about the SMLG, the Logon groups. We are going to check the response time in SMLG. So, and what is the port number of message server? Where we can install the message server, where we are having the message server. ASCs, the central instance we are having the message server. The central instance port number is 36. It is starting with the message server port number is also 36. Right? Message server port number is 36. And we'll see how we are going to create the Logon groups. For example, I configured here. For example, with, see here, we are having, as of now, we are having how many instances? One is PAS, another one is AS1, AS2. If you create login with the that instance, whether it is going to be connected or not, we'll see. AP5, I'm just giving. What is the instance? 06, right? AP5. So I just now installed this application server. See here, it is connecting. But so what it is supposed to do? It is supposed to, whenever a user request comes to message server, if it is not available, suppose one additional application server is not available, at that time this message server built-in logic, based on that, it is route to the another application server. That means how it is possible? So based upon Logon groups. So now we are going to configure the Logon groups. So what is Logon groups? Now we are going to see. I am already logged into this AP5 with a 000. I am hitting SMLG. What is the T code to create the Logon groups? SMLG. See here. So 06 you can see here. I already created with the 03 PAS instance. 05 is the AS1 and like 06 is the newly created additional application server. If you want to create, you can go and create a Logon group. Otherwise, you just double click on it. So available instance number, it is going to give you, like once you double click, it is asking you to give the Logon group name. So I'm just going with this one. Instead of that, I'm selecting the USA. I'm just giving the Logon group name is. So just now we install this now. See here, just click copy. See here. How it is going to be work. So I have created the Logon groups here. So now we need to add the Logon groups here. How we are going to add the Logon groups? So as of now, we are going to add the application server, only single one. So now we need to add the group server. That means Logon group, right? So I'm giving India 1. What is our SID? AP5, right? So message server. What is our message server host name? And we need to give the message server information here. So for that, where you are going to check. So you just go back, message server port number. Just save. What is the T code to check the port number? SMMS. Where we are going to monitor the message server. SMMS is the T code. See here, what is our port number? 3604 is the port number. And internal communication port number is like a secure port number with a message server 39. It is starting with a 39. So it is asking the port number with message server. We need to add this port number here. Just give the 3604 and then after select the port number. I am switching to AP5 ADM because one additional application server is stopped. CD Pro LL SAP control. How we are going to check the status? SAP control command, right? -NR 05 stopped. 05 function get process list. P should be capital. See stopped. So now I'm going to start this function. Start. Watchdog is already running, waiting for dispatcher. So everything is running. So now I'm going to Logon pad, that is UI. I'm adding the Logon group here. How we are going to add the Logon group? Just come here, connection type, choose the connection type is group, Logon group, right? So you just give I've created the groups. How many groups we created here? You can find the /o SMLG. So see here, Logon group name I have created with the India with the same name to one is USA. I'm adding this Logon groups. India, AP file. I'm adding India only. I'm giving the message server information 192.168.30.24. So here we need to provide the port number information. Where we can find that? Where we can find the port number? SMMS is the T code to monitor the message server, right? There we can find the port numbers. So see here. So this is our message server port number. This is internal message server port number. That means it is like a secure port number for message server 39. So anyway, we are going with the 3604. So this we need to add here in Logon group for new connection 3604, right? See here, we need to select the group. See here, India, US. It is by default, it is taking 3. So now I'm adding one more Logon group, that is Logon group, that is USA, AP5. Port number is what? 3604. I'm selecting them. USA. See here, once I select the USA, the instance number is changed. So if we stop the PAS, that means once we stop the PAS primary application server, all remaining additional application servers won't work. So for this, I'm not going to work with the Logon groups things with the PAS. So instead of changing the PAS name, Logon group name, and changing this PAS with only USA group. So we install additional applications too, right? So I'm going with the additional applications servers with the same India name. See here, 0506 instance number with the same India Logon group. So the PAS instance with the in USA. So why we are creating this means, so for example, the message server, what is the duty of message server? So once one application server is down, it is route to the another application server. That is the duty of message server. So now I am going to configure the Logon group in GUI. See here. It is already added 06. See here. I want to stop. See here, it is instance number 06. I am going to stop the 06 instance. Zero 06 is our additional applications or newly installed additional application server, right? Stopping that additional application server. Watch SAP control -n 06 function get process list. See here, everything is running. Now it is going to be stopped one by one. See. So it is went on gray. That means stopped. See here, it is the instance number with the 06. Okay. It is not supposed to correct, but it is going to be connected. See how it is connecting. Even it is set by the instance number 06. We stopped that instance right now. The instance number is changed. How it is changed? That is the duty of message server. It is balancing the load. So one application server is down, it is going to be route to the another application server. So this is how the message server works. For example, I'm going to stop this as well. For example, I'm going to change this USA Logon group name as well. I'm giving India for this. So hereby all Logon groups with the same name. I'm going to stop the even this 5 instance number. Then how it is working. Everything is running. One by one it is going to be stop anyway. See here. It is already closed. That means it is going to be stopped. So now it is stopped. 0506 both are stopped. Now how it is going to be work. So I am not yet saved this one, that is why changes saved. See, I can connect to which one I connected. 03. See, this is how the Logon groups works and works with the message server. This is how the message server works with the Logon groups. So if you give the same Logon group name, if you give the same Logon group, but one first we stopped this 06, it is connected to 05. We stopped this as well, it is connected to this. So this is how the users is going to be connected. They don't know which instance they are going to connect. So this is how the message server balancing the load. Suppose for example, if you are created with the same Logon group with the same name, for example, what it will do, the message server is going to be do like, suppose this is occupied by, this PS is occupied with 10,000 people. So based upon availability, the message server route to the, after 10,000 users, it is going to be route to the this 05 instance number. After 10,000 also it is going to be fill. Next it is going to route to this 06 instance number. This is how the message server is going to be works with the load balancing.